Hi, today in front of me Nokia C12 and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first open the Play Store application and in the search pool enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application, that's why tap to install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the button, click yes I agree, be close and tap to OK. So then you'll see here information about battery health. In my case it's in a good condition. Also we got here more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.